In this video, I will be going over a couple of examples of the slip and slide method of factoring trinomials. It's also known as the slide and divide method. This method is great when you are trying to factor a trinomial with a leading coefficient for x squared. So for example, we have this polynomial here where we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. This 3x squared makes this pretty hard to factor on its own, so we use the slip and slide method. So what we do is we slide the 3 over to the 2, so we end up with x squared plus 7x plus 3 times 2. So plus 3 times 2 will be 6. Now this trinomial is a lot easier to factor. We just think, okay, what numbers will add the 7 and multiply it to 6? Well, two factors of 6 would be 1 times 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So we can factor this trinomial as such. So we have x plus 1 and x plus 6. And indeed, these multiplied together will yield us x squared plus 7x plus 6. But we changed this equation when we slid the 3 over to the 2. So to correct that, we're going to divide both of these numbers here back by 3 again. So we'll have x plus 1 over 3 and x plus 6 over 3. For x plus 6 over 3, we can just have x plus 2. And then for x plus 1 over 3, we will slip the 3 back over to the x here. So we'll have 3x plus 1 on the left side. And this will be equal to our original equation of 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. So this is one example of the slip and slide method. For our second example, we will go over 5 times x squared plus 19x plus 12. So we have the leading coefficient here is 5, so we'll slide that over to 12 and make that into 60. So we have x squared plus 19x plus 60. Now we look for two numbers that add to 19 and multiply to 60. Well, 15 plus 4 is 19, and 15 times 4 is 60. So we'll have x plus 15 and x plus 4. Now here's where the divide from slide and divide comes in. We will divide both 15 and 4 by the leading coefficient of 5. So we get x plus 15 over 5 times x plus 4 over 5. 15 over 5 will just simplify to 3. And for x plus 4 over 5, we will, instead of simplifying this, because we can't, we will multiply this sum by 5. So that will just give us 5x plus 4 over 5 times 5 is just 4. And this is our final answer for factoring 5x squared plus 19 plus 12. And that is the slide and divide method, the slip and slide method. And I hope this will help you tackle some tricky trinomials that have the leading coefficient here.